Are you seriously gonna do this reaction in this costume? Duh! It's what the fans wanted. They've seen me and Bob already. I think it's time that they show me. Well, technically, I'm not so certain about that, Larry. What if they laugh at you? They're not gonna laugh at me. Besides, they're probably just gonna be interested and smile and clap their hands and all that stuff. It's something else related to that. Alright, show me in front of the camera. Alright, Larry, here you go. Hello, everybody, I'm Larry Boy, and I'm well, you may know me as Larry, but today, I'm Larry Boy. Well, technically, I am a brand new superhero in the kitchen. Or in the studio, technically. I used to be a superhero in the kitchen, but now, I'm a superhero in the kitchen. I don't know about that. Let me introduce myself, Larry, before we start. Okay, Shadow. Hello, everybody, I'm Shadow, and today we're going to be doing the replacement killers. I don't know who the original killers were, but these guys right here are the replacements. I don't know if it's technically something, but we'll just see about that. Alright, let's get this over with. Alright, let's do this. Okay. Now. Oh, okay. Alright, looks like the audio is pretty good so far. Okay. Coming soon to a theater near you. Alright, let's do this thing. Excuse me. The Mask of Zorro, of course.
Some say he's a legend. Zorro was a servant of the people. He did what was needed. Now he's needed again. Others are ghosts. Be careful, senorita. We have dangerous men about. Some say he fights for justice.
There are some who would call him heroic.
Others for revenge. Daily swords and shooting guns. Racing around on horses.
Whoa!
The work of the gentleman. No one has seen his face.
Until now.
I had impure thoughts about a man.
Whoa, look at that. Dude, that is so sick. Whoa. Whoa. Z. Z. Look at this guy right here. Oh my god. Not bad. You just got a glimpse at her leg. You think that's bad? Try stripping her. Shadow, that's gross. I know, but I'm waiting to see the ending scene where Zorro cuts the woman's dress off. Her hair is censoring her breasts. That's something. Oh, I guess I could let you off with that, Shadow. Oh well. Look at those sword marks. Look at that. Whoa! The Mask of Zorro. Alright, let's see what we got here. There it is! Ha ha ha. Oh, the scene always makes me laugh. Alright, what's this? Mandalay! Mandalay! Sounds like someone saying underlay like in a Mexican. I miss you. I miss you too.
You got a letter.
A letter from the administration's office? It better be. Because if it is, your life starts now.
What is it?
A new chance.
But what is it?
Start again.
Just another frat party.
Pool party.
Thanks.
Frat party, goddamn.
And an old secret that just won't die.
I still know. This is I still know what you did last summer, is it? And a sequel that will hook you again. I know. Wait. It should say I still know what you did last summer, not I know what you did last summer. Coming soon to home video. Okay, thank God it's not the Red Band trailer. What makes the Red Band trailer so stupid, Shadow? That's my question to you. I mean, the colors just look...
His films have been called brilliant and provocative, daring, compelling, magical.
He's gotten a lot of good reviews.
Acclaimed writer-director John Sayles. Takes us to a place we've never been before.
Yeah, tell me about it.
A place of innocence and violence, of beauty and mystery. A world of danger and dreams, where a search for answers becomes a question of survival.
Oh, this is epic.
In this land,
Woohoo!
there are only two kinds of people. Men with guns, and those at their mercy.
Men with guns, huh? Oh, bam!
Men with guns.
Of course, that's what the title is called. Men with guns.
Who asked you that?
Atrasados aquí. No, eso ocurre en otros países, pero no aquí.
The new film from John Sayles.
Oh, wow, that's oddly something. Cool at the same time, you know? Sony Pictures Classics.
Why'd you do it, right?
Sorry. Jenny, Colombia.
The music sounds catchy. Sounds a lot like Knick Knack. Knick Knack got your back. Right? No. I don't know what you mean by that, boy. Superb. So far, this is not that interesting. Ooh, impressive. Impressive work. Ray Winstone. Nil by Mouth. What? That is the most weirdest title ever. Alright. Okay, what's next? Whoa, my God! Oh my God! He's too fast! Fast and the Furious! Whoa! Jesus Christ!
It's only 200 miles off the eastern American seaboard. We don't even know what the hell it is.
You don't even know what it is, then why are you complaining? Oh my God. Dude, no way. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Whoa. Dude. Dude. From the creators of Independence Day. Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Size does matter. Oh! Godzilla! Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Whee! Shadow, are you okay? I'm doing just fine. Thanks for asking. Oh, holy shit. I did have a panic attack, didn't I? Dude, the last trailer got me hype. Alright guys, until next time, I'm Shadow. Larry boy? Yeah? I'm gonna hang up now, okay? Sign yourself off first. Okay, Shadow, pick me up. Alright. There you go. Alright, sign yourself off, Larry boy. Alright guys, I'm Larry boy, and I'm gonna be signing myself off. Alright, Shadow. I'm done. Hang me up. Okay, Larry. Okay guys, that's enough for this VHS reaction. Until next time, I'm Shadow, signing you off.